ABC Creative Studio.
Making a DIY colorful flower bouquet. Prepare a black cardboard for the flower handle and paste it with tape. Form like a cone shape. Get a cardboard to put on the base. Form a circle and make it sure it will fit to your handle. Cut and paste inside the handle. Then cut a felt cloth like this to design your flower bouquet. Make a small size of a circle to form a flower. Cut the paper into a spiral form. Start to assemble your paper flower inside the bouquet. Then add ready-made flowers to enhance your bouquet. Add leaves to make it realistic. You can create more designs to make your bouquet more attractive. Put a ribbon around your bouquet to make a lining. Paste a sticker to make it unique. Put a quotable tag to look beautiful and expensive. It looks amazing, very creative.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.